Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I'll show you a tutorial about how to settle invoice when receive payment. In the previous demo, we had created an invoice for the customer. Now, the customer has sent the payment to us. So, we need to record the settled payment into the system. Okay, let's start signing into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. Now, we first go to the customer statement to check the current status of the statement. On the top of menu, click the block named Financial, then click the Statement block, and click the Our Account Receivable block to go to the statement interface. Click here to look for the customer. And then click the Search button. The statement current showed there has an outstanding payment on invoice number 16. And the payment amount is 7,500. Okay, let's settle off the outstanding payment. Click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Financial, then click the Ledger block, and click the Our Account Receivable block to go to the Ledger interface. Go to the first tab to select the customer. Click here to select the order's customer. Here add a reference data field to input your reference information. OK, go to the second tab Items, to input the entries. In the Entries interface, the account receivable item had default added for settle. We can direct click here to look for the invoice number. There has a single invoice, and shows 7,500 outstanding balance. OK, click it to insert the data into Ledger. Click here to insert a new entry row for input debit side entry. Click here to look for the account number. Looking for saving and select the saving account for settle the payment. Then copy and paste the same invoice number to the new row to indicate the entry is for this order. Then, input the settlement amount. And select the amount to the debit side. After the input, here, the balance of the debit side and credit side go to the same. After that, we can save the order and get a new order number. OK, let's approve the order. The ledger is approved. Then, we go to preview the printout. This is the printout. Here, I do not describe the preview function. If you want no more detail, please find the video from information tag in the top right corner. Next, we need to post this ledger to transfer the settlement to the relative account. Close the printout, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Financial, then click the Posting block, and click the Our Account Receivable block to go to the posting interface. Click the target AR ledger number, and then click the Post button to post the ledger. The ledger is posted. OK, let's check the statement of this customer. Click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Financial, then click the Statement block, and click the Our Account Receivable block to go to the statement interface. Click here to look for customer. And then click the Search button. The statement shows the invoice has fully settled by two orders. One is AR number 5, and another one is sales return order. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.